Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Apple Music. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, today on my channel, I wanted to share this email I got from Apple Music. This email is part of a new newsletter series where Apple Music is showing how creators earn royalties from Apple Music, and they're going over all of the different improvements. But I was reading over this article, this email, and I thought it was real interesting because Apple Music is sending a bunch of shots at Spotify and at every other music distribution platform or every music streaming service. Now, before we go and I break down this article and show y'all all of the information, I just want to say this about Apple Music. Out of all of the streaming platforms, like when it comes to Tidal, Spotify, Napster, Amazon, Apple Music has been the only one that I would pay for, right? Apple Music is the only one I would pay for. I like how it's integrated in the iPhone. It's real easy to use. The user experience way better compared to the other platforms. It's ad free, and it's just Apple. Like it got a different type of branding they put behind their products. So I like Apple. I love Apple Music, iTunes. That's my favorite streaming platform above all. But what was funny was all of the things they were saying about Spotify and all of the information I try to tell y'all about how the industry really is. And I think this just solidifies it, that Apple Music, like, they coming out and making a statement about this. And Spotify has yet to make a statement about any of these claims I'm about to show y'all. But all of the other music distribution services, they know about this, and they doing something about it. So the first thing that stood out to me in this article is, we believe in paying every creator the same rate. That play has a value. Creators should never have to pay for featuring, right? And y'all probably wondering, like, what is Apple Music talking about creators paying for featuring, right? And back in November, right, Spotify announced that this year in June, they're creating a system where independent artists, you can get on Spotify's platform, you can get more streams, you can, get more exposure, but for a cut of your royalty rate, right? And Apple is saying they don't believe in that. They don't believe in creators having to take a cut, of their royalties to get featured on different playlists. And they saying they pay the same rates to all labels, to all creators. They pay 52%. Apple takes their cut and they pay out 52%, right? They pay out 52% of all the money earned. It's a basically you splitting the money in half with Apple Music, right? And what we know about other platforms, right, like Spotify, for example, Spotify is owned by all of the major labels, right? In fact, Universal Music is sitting on billions of dollars in Spotify stock, right? And because of this, right, they have a larger share, they have a larger interest, right? They have 70%, right? All of the major labels own about 70% of Spotify, so they take a cut, right? As you can see, like, we stroll down a little bit, you can see Apple Music royalty rate is 1 cent per stream, right? Apple Music is paying, starting last year, right? This is based on all of the reports from last year. Apple Music is paying 1 cent per stream. So that means 100,000 streams is $1,000. 1 million streams is $10,000 on Apple Music, right? Compared to Spotify, which 1 million streams is $3,000 because of the 70% stake, that they take out from all of the major labels' ownership, right? They can pay out 0.003, right, when they're actually getting, about 1 cent, which they're able to split after they take their cut. So they don't pay a lower royalty rate in exchange for featuring, right? Apple Music got over 30,000 editorial playlists you can get on, right? And they have the tastemakers, they have the people necessary. If you watch even the people that's associated with Apple Podcasts and the playlisting, you know, they know what's going on in the culture. So they got a team of people like that, and they growing artists all through Apple Music platform, right? And it's gonna be a lot of development on that. And here they saying the payouts increasing for artists, right? And they was looking at alternate royalty models, but you know, they're gonna stick with their royalty model and basically pay you 1 cent per stream. So I fuck with Apple Music for dropping this, right? All of this news like about major labels owning Spotify and Spotify, you know, doing payola has been coming out, and Spotify hasn't said anything about it. And the fact that Apple Music said something about it, right? They came out with a formal email. Like, this email is from Apple, right? Formal email from Apple explaining the royalties, explaining they're not doing payola for playlists, right? And explaining how they gonna optimize and you know, build their operation. And I feel like Apple Music is the best way to go. Like, they pay on time, right? You ain't never gotta worry about an Apple Music check. That's one thing, you know, I've experienced. You never gotta worry about getting paid from Apple Music. They on time. It's just easier to use. I like it. I like Apple Music, right? And now they paying out 1 cent per stream. So it's improving, right? It's definitely improving, and I see Apple Music making changes before a lot of the bigger streaming services, right? They're gonna make the changes that support the artists more, that have artists promoting Apple Music links more than anything, or just doing exclusive Apple Music deals, right? It's to the point where, you know, you can sign with a label or stay independent. You know, if you promote your music right, get it out there, Apple Music is setting it up where you will have enough money to support yourself. So, yeah, I just wanted to bring this article to your attention. It's your boy. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.